This is my newest Panic Button video you ever watched. A whole Panic Button video. Alright, enjoy. Team 1. Just Team 1. Actor, enter from processing. Oh my gosh. State your names. Matt, Sam. Those are just things that you fear of. Doors, bears, snakes, and rats. Bugs, roaches. Right. I don't like a cockroach guy. I don't like a cockroach guy. I like bailing in dirt. And snakes and snakes and spiders. Stare back while the doctor analyzes with your selections. Remember everything you say and everything you solve, or you will face the penalty. Now retrieve your panic buttons and blindfolds. Okay. The doctor is ready for a test. Hello. No. Okay. Hello. You introduce myself. Trust me. I'll take 4 steps. Okay. Sam, go on into the door. Into the door. Toes, dingle toes, tickly toes, dingle toes, dingle toes, dingle my toes. Watch those twinkly toes. Get it slide. Oh my god! Do you think you're asking from the Oh! There's a scorpion! Oh, it's eating my face! It's eating my face! There's a scorpion! Come on. I'm feeling a little sick. Let's hoping you can feel better. Just find 1 eye, 1 fly, and 1 snake. We find the first item on the list. Got it. Oh, clean up an iPhone. Oh, is that the phone? Yes. This is a phone. And what is another name for a phone? An eye? Right. That's a coin. That's a coin. And what is another name for coin? A penny? It ends with Scorpio. Starts with S, ends with Scorpio. So I got a rubber Scorpio. Name of this is the cage. This is your imagine it's the cage. She gets it. Hello. Do you see the keys? Oh yeah. See them. See them. Right there. Do you think you can help Matt find the right keys for opening these locks? Yes, I can. Put your hand over to the left. Okay. Now drop straight down. Is there something there? Just drop straight down. Is there something there? Just drop your hand straight down. Oh my god, scorpion! Stay over here. Ah! Scorpion! Go to the left! The drops are down! Yes! No! Oh, man! Oopsie, you dropped it. Another cocker, another scorpion. Seems like he's biting. Hurry, Sam. Pull the salt to rescue Matt. To rescue Sam. You made it through 3 levels of hell. What was Sam's 3 fears? Oh, doors, unexpected sounds, snakes, and rats. Oh man, bad news for me. You won. Yes! I am so happy we did it. Alright, thank you, all of you. So, guys, alright, so guys, that was my Panic Button video with Matt and Sam. So that was my Panic Button video with Matt and Sam, and hopefully I'll see you guys later. Bye!